In this video, we will take a look at how the sensors on the experiment kit can be controlled remotely using the Arduino Cloud interface. Once the cloud agent has successfully updated your Arduino board's firmware, you will be redirected to your dedicated device dashboard within the Arduino Cloud interface. By pressing this icon, you can create a thing. In an Arduino Cloud, a thing is essentially your project's digital representation, linking your physical Arduino board to the cloud. It is where you define the variables, inputs or outputs that your device will interact with. You will notice that the network configuration section will be grayed out or disabled at this point. The next step is to create a variable. Variable are data points that your Arduino board will send or receive from the cloud. For example, to control an LED, you need a variable to represent its on or off state. The next step is to configure your network. Click on the Configure button in the Network section. The prompt will appear asking you for your Wi-Fi credentials. Carefully enter them and then click Save or Done. Even though you have configured the network and variables in the cloud, your Arduino board does not know anything about them yet. It needs the code. Navigate to the Sketch tab within your Thing page. You'll see that the Arduino Cloud has auto-generated a basic sketch for you. This sketch includes all the necessary code to connect you to the specified Wi-Fi network and to handle the variables you created. Once uploaded, you can go back to the setup page and find the Arduino board's status change from offline to online. Open the main menu and navigate to the Dashboards section. Click Create a Dashboard. Change the mode from View to Edit using the toggle button. Add a switch widget by clicking Add on your dashboard. Select your Arduino device and choose the LED variable that you created earlier. Update the Arduino sketch for LED. Go back to the Sketch tab and you will find the exact name of the auto-generated LED variable here. In the setup function, set the LED spin as output. At the bottom of the sketch, find the auto-generated function for your LED variable. Inside this function, set the LED pin's state. Now upload the code and observe how the LED turns on and off when the switch in the dashboard is toggled between the on and off states. Next, let us control a servo motor. Add a servo variable. Go back to your thing and click Add to create a new variable. Set the type to integer. Update the Arduino sketch for servo. Open the Sketch tab. Include the servo library at the top. Declare the servo object and in the setup function, attach the servo to a pin. At the bottom, find the auto-generated code for your servo position variable. Inside it, set the servo's angle. Upload the sketch. Open the dashboard in edit mode. Click Add and then add a slider. Link it to your servo position variable. Change to view mode and now you can control the motor's position. Let us try to use the DHT11 temperature sensor. Now let us add the sensor variable. Go back to your thing and click Add to create a new variable. Select the type float. It is important to note that only two things or two sensors can be active at a time. Update the sketch for the DHT11 sensor as shown in the screen. Open your dashboard in edit mode. Click Add and then add a gauge. And link it to your variable. Come back to the dashboard. The sensor will take a moment, but it will start updating, showing you the room temperature. As long as your board is connected to internet, you can get the sensor data from anywhere in the world. You can also access the sensors through the Arduino Cloud mobile app. You just have to simply log in using the same account that you used in the Arduino Cloud website, and then you will find the dashboard with all the widgets that you have added. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.